Have you ever experienced the frustration of losing an important file on your Android device? Maybe it was due to accidental deletion, a lack of backup, a routing mishap, or even a memory card failure. Whatever the reason, the sinking feeling of not being able to find a critical file can be overwhelming. Now, when you delete a file on your Android, it's not completely gone. Instead, Android marks the space as available, making it look like the file has vanished. In reality, the data is still there until new files overwrites it. This means you have a window of opportunity to recover your lost files before they are permanently erased. And that's where Tenorshare UltData for Android comes in, a fantastic tool for recovering deleted photos, videos, WhatsApp messages, and much more. So let's quickly dive in and see how this tool can help you get your lost files back. Excited? So let's get started. Now, I'm pretty sure many of you had one of those heart-stopping moments when you accidentally delete something important on your Android device, or maybe your phone crashed, got damaged, or just decided to lose your data. That's where Tenorshare UltData for Android comes to rescue. This amazing tool can help you recover lost data even if you don't have a backup. Now, one of the standout features of this tool is that, unlike many other data recovery programs, it does not require you to root your device. You can recover deleted photos, videos, and WhatsApp messages directly, no rooting necessary. It can scan your device deeply to retrieve your lost data. But it doesn't stop there. It can also recover various types of WhatsApp and WeChat files like stickers, videos, photos, voice messages, and documents. And this is a huge plus for anyone who relies on these apps for personal or business communication, ensuring you don't lose important information. Additionally, it works seamlessly with Google Drive as well, allowing you to access and restore different files with just a tap. But for this video, we will focus on its impressive capability to recover lost data. So let's dive in and see how Tenorshare UltData for Android can save the day. Now, before getting started with the recovery process, first you need to download and install Tenorshare UltData on your Mac or Windows PC. I have put a download link for that in the description down below. Now, once you have installed it, open the tool and connect your Android device. Now, from the main menu, select the Recover Lost Data option. Now, before the program can scan your data, you will need to enable USB debugging on your Android device so that it can properly connect with your device. To do this, just go to Setting, then About Phone. Now click on Build Number and tap it 7 times until developer mode is enabled. Then go back to Setting, find the Developer option menu and toggle on USB debugging. After that, return to the tool, select the type of file you want to recover and start the scanning process. With this tool, you will be able to view recoverable files as the scan progresses. As a result, you won't necessarily have to wait the entire time to find the file you want. Files appear in a simple list with a nested navigation panel at the left to move between folders. This makes it simple to find the right files. You will be able to preview photographs first before recovering them. Most other files will need to be recovered before they can be viewed. Now, once the scan is complete, you will see a list of recoverable files. Just select the ones you need and click Recover to get them back in no time. It's as simple as that. Now, to recover your files using Tenorshare UltData, you will need to purchase a license. The software is available for both Windows and Mac platform, and you can choose between a month, a year, or lifetime subscription. The 1-month subscription costs $35.95, the 1-year subscription is $39.95, and the best value is the lifetime license at just $49.95. At last, I just wanted to say that data loss is always a frustrating experience, especially when the files are important and you can't afford to lose them permanently. But don't worry, there is no need to panic. This tool can help you restore your lost files quickly and securely. Whether you have lost photos, videos, messages, or any other type of files, and no matter what Android device you're using, Tenorshare UltData offers an efficient and reliable solution to retrieve your data. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found this tool useful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.